एवरी वीक समवन टेल्स मी वैभव यार गुड़गांव अब एक्सपेंसिव हो गया है एंड ऑनेस्टली दे आर राइट बट ओनली इफ यू लुक एट जस्ट द प्राइस बट माई क्वेश्चन इज इफ गुड़गांव इज जेन्युइनली ओवर प्राइस्ड तो भाई इंडिया के स्मार्टेस्ट इन्वेस्टर्स वर्ल्ड के लार्जेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशंस why are they still putting billions in this city? Are they missing something? Could all of them be wrong? Or are we measuring Gurgaon the wrong way? Over the last several years, while advising entrepreneurs and HNI investors who are looking to allocate serious capital in India and Dubai, I've noticed one common mistake. Most buyers only compare today's price with yesterday's price. But a smart investor compares today's price with what could be tomorrow's value. This small shift changes every investment decision. When most people say Gurgaon has become expensive, they are generally looking at only one number. That is price per square feet. Let's take an example. अगर कोई बोलता है यार गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पहले 15,000 रुपए के रेट पे बिकता था आज 35,000 है इज दिस सम एनालिसिस नो इट्स जस्ट नॉस्टैल्जिया बट अ स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर looks at 5 completely different things: employment growth, infrastructure, rental demand, replacement cost, and future capital inflow. That's where value is created. And price and value are two different things. Let's start with employment. You should ask, why are global companies still expanding in Gurgaon? Because talent is here, infrastructure is here, connectivity is improving every year. Today, Gurgaon has over 90 million square feet of grade A office stock, making it one of the largest premium office markets in India. According to JLL, India leased about 79 million square feet of office spaces, making it one of the strongest year on record. With Gurgaon remaining one of the largest leasing premium office markets of India. और जहां कंपनी आती हैं पीपल फॉलो और जहां लोग जाते हैं वहां हाउसिंग डिमांड बढ़ती है. दैट्स व्हाई कमर्शियल रियल एस्टेट डिमांड tells you where the residential price are heading in the future. And here's what most retail investors never ask. Where is institutional money going? Because institutions ऐसे ही कुछ भी नहीं खरीद लेते हैं based on emotion. They buy based off months of research. Global investors like Blackstone, Brookfield, GIC, Capital Land have invested tens of billions of dollars in India in the last decade. And Gurgaon remains one of the leading investment destinations for them. Ask yourself, are these institutions buying just because they think Gurgaon is cheap? Or they are buying because they believe the future demand will justify today's prices? Always follow smart capital. Now let's look at infrastructure. 20 साल पहले गुड़गांव में मेट्रो थी नहीं. कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेस बहुत ही कम. ग्लोबल हेडक्वार्टर्स उससे भी कम. रोड कनेक्टिविटी वेरी लिमिटेड. और आज गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, SPR, द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, रैपिड मेट्रो, global capability centers, premium hotels, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स। तो क्या भाई ये सब होने के बाद भी प्राइसेस सेम रहेंगे? ऑब्वियसली नॉट। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर reduces travel time, which increases the business activity in the area, which improves the value of surrounding assets. So, infrastructure not just adds convenience, it changes the land value. Now let's talk about replacement cost. अगर कोई 5 साल बाद प्रीमियम एसेट बनाना चाहे, will the cost be cheaper? Land cost, material, labor, financing? Probably not. Everything becomes expensive. So आज के प्रीमियम एसेट को रिप्लेस करना कल और महंगा ही पड़ेगा. And that's one of the reasons why premium assets continue to appreciate over time. Now there's another misconception. अगर प्राइस महंगा होगा तो डिमांड कम हो जाएगी. But that's not what we are seeing today. According to Anarock, Gurgaon's luxury housing market is one of the strongest in India. घर जिनकी वैल्यू 4 करोड़ से ज्यादा है have the highest absorption rate in Gurgaon in the past 2 years. The buyer's profile has changed. Today we are seeing founders, CXOs, NRIs, business families, professionals returning back to India. And they're not just buying a house, they're allocating capital. And that's a completely different mindset. The question isn't, is Gurgaon expensive? Does Gurgaon fit your capital allocation strategy? That's how institutional investors think. That's exactly why my conversation never begins with, should I buy this? It begins with, what percentage of your wealth is concentrated? Because सही प्राइस पे गलत एसेट खरीदना भी एक बैड इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है. So, is Gurgaon expensive? Maybe. Real question is it becoming more valuable? Because expensive assets become even more expensive in the future, but cheap assets remain cheap for a long time. That's the difference between buying price and buying value. If you are evaluating real estate as a capital allocation strategy and not just looking to buy the cheapest asset, this channel is for you. Every week, we break down real estate through the lens of capital diversification, wealth preservation, and strategic investing. I have created a simple capital allocation assessment, the click of which is in the description. Fill that and we'll get in touch with you. If you found this episode useful, subscribe to Real Estate with Siddharth and stay tuned for the next episode.